We got everything we need right here. Wine and burn.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I bring to you guys a video a little bit different than what I'm usually posting. I decided to take a break for now for the blogs and stuff like that, the day in the life videos that I used to record, because as you guys can see, my channel is not doing very good, but that's not the point. I decided to go ahead and record this process that I am in. I'm in the process of weight loss, losing weight, and it's going pretty amazing for me, so I decided to share with you guys what I'm doing. I have done multiple things throughout the whole, my baby's 10 months to date, so throughout the whole 10 months of postpartum I've tried multiple things, and I will go back and like lose a pound a day, and the next day I will wake up with 2 pounds more, and it's just been like that for me, honestly, my whole life. But I decided to go ahead and talk to my doctor, and she went ahead and prescribed me some pills which are called Phentermine. They are awesome pills. I have tried them in the past. I tried them in like 2015, 2016, and I was able to lose like 60 pounds, but then marriage happened and all of this happened, and then I got pregnant, and I am at my heaviest right now. Well, not at my heaviest, because I was at my heaviest right after birth, but you guys get the point. So I am doing Phentermine, and it's going amazing for me. Honestly, I love this pill. Honestly, this time around I've been taking it for like a month now, and I can see like that I can easily like make it not work myself, because for example, you guys will see everything that I'm eating today, but if I like let myself eat something big, like if I let myself eat what I'm craving at the moment, I would be able to eat it. And when last time I took it years ago, I would like could barely eat anything, and I wouldn't really crave anything. Now I crave a lot of stuff, but I just like try to hold myself back and be like, am I really hungry or not? So it is working amazing for me. We had some rough days last week and over the weekend, but I'm back on taking everything serious this week again, so I decided to record everything. So if you guys are looking for something, for a weight loss pill or something to help you, I will be showing you 2 things that I'm doing in this video to help me lose weight and finally get rid of all of this extra weight that I have on. Please, if you are not okay with weight loss pills, or if you want to go all natural, this is not the video for you, so please don't come at me. It's just not gonna be the video for you. You are welcome to leave right now. But anyways, no, this is not one of those videos where I'm gonna try to sell you something or anything like that. I do not sell any of the things that I am mentioning here. This is a true real review video that I'm doing myself on my own. So yeah, just keep on watching. I will be including in this video what I eat in a day. I will tell you guys more about it later on, what I'm eating, why I'm eating what I'm eating, and all of that. So yeah, just go ahead and keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm trying to hurry up because it is 9:30 and my baby's about to get a little bit cranky. Today she turns 10 months old, so I always take her pictures first thing in the morning, as you can hear. But this is what I'm gonna do right now. Honestly, I could eat the whole entire IHOP. Like, I am starving, and all I'm craving is like bad stuff, like pancakes. Eggs are not bad, but like eggs, bread, all of that. So what I do to hold myself, you know, back a little bit, I just go ahead and take my pill. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it right now, prepare her breakfast and my coffee, and usually by the time I'm done, I don't even want anything anymore. So I'm gonna take my pill right now, and I'm gonna make my coffee. I just do this K-Cup. This is the Starbucks one, and I do add a little bit of creamer, but honestly, by the time I'm done with her breakfast, look at what she's doing. By the time I'm done with her breakfast, feeding her and all of that, I honestly don't really want anything anymore. So yeah, that's just a little tip if you're doing phentermine. Just if you're super hungry in the morning, take it first, wait a little bit, and then see if you really want to eat that huge breakfast that you were craving, or if you're okay with just like an egg or two, you know. So I'm gonna make my coffee and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so it is actually 11:57, so it's about to be noon, so you guys can see, and I still haven't had anything but my coffee. I was trying to have something else because the coffee that I had, it is pretty strong, and the phentermine, it's also really strong. That's something that you have to keep in mind. Like if you are a lightweight with coffee, with anything caffeine, and you just like can tolerate a little bit of coffee, I will advise you do not drink coffee the first few days until your body is used to the phentermine, and after you take the phentermine for a few days, see if you actually need the coffee. I really don't like coffee, honestly, but I need it, obviously. So I drink it because I need it, not because I like it. That's why I do creamer. As you guys saw, I do not add sugar. It's just my coffee and creamer. I know that creamer has calories, sugar, and carbs. That is fine with me. It has not affected my weight at all. And that is basically about any sugar that I have the whole day. So it's fine with me. I did buy that exact creamer, no sugar, and it was disgusting. So yeah, that's not happening. But anyways, I forgot what I was saying. Oh yeah, so with the pills, they do have caffeine in them already. So I do drink coffee, but the coffee that I had today, I didn't realize that it has 2 times the coffee amount, the caffeine amount. So I shouldn't have done that. I should have just drank a regular one. So I am like a little shaky here, and yeah, I normally, like, what takes that away from me, it's just having some bread or some food, but I haven't had time. So I am just now about to have one of these shakes. I have the powder one, and I also have this one. This is the Slim Fast. So let me sit down so I can tell you guys more about it. Honestly, you guys, this is not very good. Let me just tell you that. I just try to shut this down and call it a day because it is really not that good. But I just wanted to explain to you guys, like, very quickly what I'm doing. So at first I was doing shakes. I was doing the Slim Fast shakes. You get them at Walmart. They're very inexpensive compared to all those other meal replacement shakes that you find online. They are very, very, very affordable. So I will definitely recommend you do the powder one and you make your own shakes at home, because these ready to drink ones are disgusting. I'm just drinking them because I have some left in the fridge and I'm not gonna let them go to waste. But on the weekends, I honestly go a little bit overboard. We are getting together with my brother, my sister-in-law, my niece, my nephew. We are doing barbecues. We're enjoying the summer and just cooking and being here locked up at home. We just like eat a lot. So this weekend specifically, I went a little bit overboard, and then I also started my period, which means I gained like 3-4 pounds just because I'm extremely bloated, and I gained like 2 pounds or 1.5 pounds from everything that I ate throughout the weekend. So yesterday, what I did was I took my phentermine, just like I told you guys this morning. I was extremely hungry, but I just went ahead and took my phentermine, drank my coffee. I went and did everything that I had to do, and around 12 I started to get hungry, and that's when I had one of this. So I didn't need anything else until like 2-3 p.m. I started to be hungry again, and I just had a sandwich. And then around 6 p.m. I made myself a chicken breast sandwich with some fries that I made in the air fryer. And yesterday I woke up at 2:58, and today I woke up at yesterday I woke up at 2:98, and today I woke up at 2:95 point something. You guys will see the picture. So I honestly already feel lighter and stuff, but then again, I was bloated because of my period, but also I know that I feel way better, you know. So I decided that I'm gonna be doing this every Monday, Tuesday, probably Wednesdays too, I don't know, that I'm gonna be doing just one shake a day, just try to last as long as I can. I honestly enjoy breakfast a lot. I like eating my eggs and stuff like that, but I'm gonna try to just do that like on the other half of the week, because whenever I do just shakes, I get stuck and I don't lose weight, and whenever I do the other stuff, I get stuck too. So I decided to just do both in the week, and that way the shakes and all of that, I'm eating way less, and it's gonna, you know, even out the weekend and help me lose whatever I gain on the weekend faster. So I will be recording a what I eat in a day, like a normal day, not like a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, just like a normal full-on breakfast blah 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 day. Because like I said, when I was just doing shakes, I did get stuck, and I started to just like eat regular food. I started to eat like regular food, like eggs and stuff like that for breakfast, and I started to lose weight again. So you just have to find what works for you. Like even with the pill, I got stuck just doing shakes, you guys, but my body was just like used to that and was not letting go of anything. So yeah, that's what I was doing. So today I will show you guys later what I'm gonna eat later on and what I'll have for dinner, and then I will show you guys tomorrow what I weigh in the morning and see what I lost for the whole day. Okay you guys, so it is currently 1:46 p.m. My baby is right now working on her lunch, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take advantage of that and have myself some lunch. I am honestly not hungry right now. I don't remember what time I drank this thing. I think it was like 11 or 12. Honestly, I don't remember anymore. And I can actually go like another hour and I will be good. But I won't do that because right after she's done with her lunch, we will head out to the backyard or the living room for her to play. And I just get so caught up with her that I literally will forget, and she like needs me to be with her all the time, so I will not have time to like actually make myself something and enjoy it. So I'm just gonna take advantage of that she's busy with her lunch and make myself something right now, and then I won't eat again until 5 or 6 p.m. when it's dinner time. So this is the bread that I wanted to show you guys that I eat. I'm the only person in this house that I actually like this bread. It is fine with me, like as long as it makes me feel like I'm eating bread, I'm fine, because I need bread in my life. But this one, it's only 45 calories per slice, so in 2 slices you have 90 calories. I think that is pretty good compared to, like, for example, the one that my husband eats, which is this one right here. This one has 100 calories per slice, and then the one that my baby eats, this one has 140. So yeah, to me that is really, really good, guys. That is the bread that I have. Usually I just like toast it and then like throw some ham and cheese or like pastrami or an egg, anything like that. So I think I'm gonna be doing some pastrami and cheese and just put it in here after I toast it and have that as a lunch. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like. It's just a simple sandwich. All it has is pastrami and cheese. It is delicious. I literally really love it. And like I said, this bread does the trick for me. I do not like miss having like regular bread. And I'm just gonna have it with a whole cup of water. I do have like juices and stuff like that are diet, but today I'm just gonna have water because literally I haven't had water since this morning, so I cannot be drinking juice right now when I should be drinking water. That's something else that you have to do when you're taking phentermine. You have to make sure that you drink a lot of water. So this is gonna be my lunch. Basically, this is the first actual real food that I have in the whole entire day, and it is about to be 2 p.m. right now. Okay guys, so it is much later now. Right now it is currently 5:02 p.m. and well 5:04, and this is when I will have my dinner slash the last meal of the day. My baby is sitting right there waiting for me to feed her, just having some corn right now. But anyways, I couldn't decide what I wanted to do, and at the end I just made this. Let me show you guys. So I just made some white rice. I made some beans, but honestly I don't like the beans. I do like the sauce of it, the way I make it, but that's all I want from beans. So I did pour some of the sauce on top of the rice, and then I made some tilapia. I made some tilapia, some fish. I literally just seasoned it with salt, pepper, and limon, and that was it. And then I had this shrimp in my freezer that I went ahead and threw in the air fryer just to go with it. But that's what I'm gonna have. This is about a cup of rice. It kind of looks like it's a lot, but it's really not. Like, it's just a cup of rice. And yeah, that's what I will have now for dinner, and then I won't have anything else besides some tea. So this is the second thing that is helping me, this tea right here. So a side effect that Phentermine has is that it can make you constipated, and being on a diet already, eating healthier and taking Phentermine, it will for sure make you constipated. So I got this tea right here. It's called Piñalín. I got it on Amazon. Piñalim. I got it on Amazon, but you can get it at your Mexican store. I've seen it at the Mexican store, but I really don't go out to the stores. So I get my groceries delivery, and Walmart doesn't carry it. So I got it on Amazon, and it just says that it's based with pineapple, green tea, red tea, white tea, and flaxseed. So this right here, it's like a detox. Like, believe me, it will detox your body. It will. It is not bad. You won't get any cramping or anything like that. It is very gentle on your body, but you will go to the restroom probably every time you have something to eat the day after you drink this. Believe me, like, even coffee will make you go to the bathroom, but it won't be like you have to run there, or you are like waking up in the middle of the night like cramping. It's not like that. So I really like this tea because of that. I feel like it's just detoxing my body. I feel so much lighter. That's why I mentioned earlier like how lighter I feel, and I feel like it's because of this. So yeah, I'm taking this as well. I just started taking it over the weekend, but after this week I think I'm just gonna do it like every other day and not every night. But yeah, I drink it every night for this whole week, like I said, and it's been helping me a lot. So yeah, that is what I'm doing, Phentermine and taking that tea before bed, and that's all. If I get like some craving or a little bit hungry once I'm in bed, once I put her down, which is usually like 9-10 p.m. obviously that's like 5 hours from now, so yes, I will get hungry. Phentermine doesn't last that long. I just got myself some like candies. They're like sugar free, and they're Hershey's as well. Like I got chocolate and some different ones that are sugar free, or I got some sugar free cookies, but usually I just take like a little Hershey's. They're like this big, they're sugar free, and since it's chocolate, like the craving for food goes away with it. So I just take one of those upstairs every night with me, have one of those around like 8-9 p.m. whenever I get hungry, if I do, and then just drink some water, and that is it. That is all I would have until the next day, like today around 1 p.m. But yeah, you guys, I will just end this video right here because it's getting so long. I should have done 2 separate videos explaining, but I feel like whenever I watch like those type of videos, I want to know what you eat as well, what's helping you. So that's why I decided to just do 2 in 1. But yeah, now from now on, we will just be doing updating you guys like how much I weighed that day, and then showing you what I eat that day. But if you have any questions about Phentermine, let me know down below. If you have any suggestions or any other pills that you also take, let me know down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I will be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye guys.